Eriemu ajo wiemu ayedi na ewo se wo hu se de Jennifer ye bre aso se ye babaji moni na ye de bibia ehhehwe so midin e de Abena Ghana abonofo agudie ene matena se me baba twetwe nkomo ewo afidie kase so ansa na no menda aboafo mo aso mase na watwe bia mede dwumadie ebrel ewo baabi a wo wiase afana nyina ye time here ba mixture osi malaria de edro bakope eno ane time na wanom time awie no na odi lip tomato paste anu aduane ama aduane ayede ye wi a yemfa eye give us clean care ensiesie fie na edware ye sinking babia enti krojin ye wi a na ye de nyadua heba mixture yare ben nyadua fo se ya pomudin niema enkoyi a onum nyadua bibia ebeye kama empenyifoi ene Adum TV ena asomasen na me dwumadie ebro baby bia owo ene me guest no eye mia me bache say he's doing amazing things akra wo sosa na watimi perform that well no say what is said to be will be. It's like how ade bia beye bia no ebeye na say oye nsruma sa na nyame born say ombra be string your friend Foto Copy also we niaji ene ye ne e ba twetwe nkomo ene papa akwaba matse esi chi ni de me bre enso Adum TV nti obeka ama me won bibia aboko na school bibia to say yon bon komo school what to say
school you're fine
school you're fine and see how is the feeling like say abofra ketwa with your age we are star school friends say no more related with you
I'm treating me as a star as I am.
Yeah. So how do you feel when you've been treated like that?
I feel grateful because being a superstar is not that easy. Yeah.
And now when him say opa page ma oye and they say what baba giaye the feeling it saying time now pesa we ye nwomo ni ade no daddy accept it preocupa na ompeni no yendi komo na e call saying how was it
na with them and become some cocaine papa say person
hey
the mukokache no okase ase me di agro bi nti o di agro na pamwe kwaya 2 seconds later izanzo bae
hey
kache na yaku we twa na mahwe and I was okay on my main tete enye because me tete na me ya me the don't and the won't
okay
nti yes say obeye okay nti you na ko studio na o say okay such I'm not all planet trips over London
okay
talk ya no I say oh yeah 1 2 1 2 1 2 be mama go share me auntie mama and I hear video call na kasa and after oba na Saturday na my birthday October 19 nti na plan say meye virtual concert nti mo de mo na oba ka kire me say o birthday den na ope sisa den na minim nti na me dwendwen sa na o say okay why we are ready am be ka kire me why na me fa me phone me hu message say yeah virtual concert my friend no okay I'll send him a message say nti me ka kire nsem pese me virtual concert and I say hey na virtual concert what you here and I was okay me because I cheer na me can
I'm supposed to down for
that can nti o catch o can me kai no say we okay me am nti mo hana all list mama of musicians of mommy nti musicians be by tiny by article 1 by be by come Eugene yeah be by nti and on the mommy blow and I made him his first song by and on I am Jimmy do
so mama nyomo ne kakra so that me kai
boame na me Jimmy do boame na me Jimmy do dada papa na sem frawa onfa washada agenda upeso to mi kuwa dada papa Na some flower for washada agenda. Who peso to me? Jana misum kebia. Wakama misum chebia. Minchio. And ya del kametie. Minchio. And ya del kametie.
Son, you want to
Mere Clement to Shawez and my papa.
Okay. And you been on Shata, you know.
No, your school de be.
Mammy tea.
School de be, the ball. School de be, the ball. School de be, the ball. I know I miss it for anything. Papa see and trim mommy.
How do you feel when yeah, no more now you were TV, you're everywhere. What's one hour show on TV so you have feelings to say? How do you feel?
I feel excited.
You feel fulfilled there.
Yeah.
So this is what you really want to do. We're not on your on earth.
Yes.
And you then discover our talent. And for that people name Obi just would number 15 years. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years now. Wow, discover our talent.
Yes.
How did you know you can sing? How?
Because then I was singing my dad's
song.
Yes. But then I didn't even do it. I started at the age of 3.
Huh?
I started at the age of 3.
You started singing?
Yes, please.
But not unshada nim say this is what you wanted to do. Now nim say
that
to be.
Yeah.
But aside music, you know, how are you taking your education?
I'm doing very well in school. My reports are very great, perfect, and I'm doing very well.
It's there now. When I try your mama.
I do them voice. Okay, me and voice mama and papa.
Hey, Aquaday.
No, correcting me.
It's your voice note, my papa. No, him.
No, correct.
If we hear ever, Odana also Diane, a bit more homes almost Diane. No, when you dream, most of the musicians will be or sing a minute catcher and obu her, you say, oh, one your moon way.
The idea I'm personally.
Aside music, a dear banana now pass away. Answer you me, I beg you, bossy.
I didn't want it to do anything because I didn't get to know, because I don't know what life brings. I don't know if today I might be a footballer. I'll say I'll be a footballer. Then maybe tomorrow the footballer didn't work, so I'll be a nurse. So I didn't know if I'll be a footballer or a doctor.
It's a your papa coach you, say yeah, and send me so how you say.
He don't, but if I go and make mistakes, he corrects me.
Well, see, he don't so, but say me a mistake, dear, me ba. No, I correct me. Some means I do him. You try your home. Yeah, Quajin Quarto, Aba, Uguswa, Jenny, and Adum TV. And I'm a guest a Foto Copy, and a yet to change and come more and what I say. It's a fee and our joining me patrol. It's not say, na yen to what you my dear so. Foto Copy, man, we say when your ambassador deals. How many? No, when you see
now I have 3.
You have 3.
Yes.
Oh, how do you feel about it?
I feel excited because some of them have been in the industry for like 5 years, 4 years. They don't even have a company to just talk to them. So having a company to sign you
as a brand ambassador,
is very.
Give me. That's the age. Why are dear? So how do you see your future in music? As now we are with all your friends, having a star like you, a Biania Johoni Adeno. What's what I say? It's me Benia, me blosa, and I make a since, and I mean you cry me then. Do you? Oh, yeah, home.
Yes.
Say I didn't know you can't the audio home. Can be cheer me.
Didn't say maybe 10 to 5 years ago, man, big star. Shatawell no, I'm in a move.
Oh, what a shot as if I own.
You
want to be like him.
Yes.
What's a shot any day? Now, any day. And I won't so do our best. That is near you. When you day. But a bad no more. Over some years a shutter.
But in person, many bed in what never be home. Yeah, because
aside music, you know, I are saying that, oh no, Papa, because I know, say, your father is your manager executive producer, sponsor, or the young canning in album, or your BBA, and no papa, or your musician. And I say, no, what be blue as your papa? Told him, sir. It's who they say, actually, a nay, oh dear, and then I made the father papa, so be a old babana.
We should
anymore. Miss you, maybe son. But almost said what pave way amount. Oh, papa pave way. None knows when your baby are. Wedging. Now, Uko school. Yeah, not me who say only Naki at. My friends of it say.
It's doing well.
It's doing well. What sound the same? Naki at 10 into a chain. And so, am we your best friends? Let's have stars on Kurana and I must start your friends. Uko any kids reality show and a baby?
No, I didn't go.
One venture any of yeah. You just wake up one day, said you wanted to do this.
No, I told my dad, I want to start the knockout. Then when I just light the knockout, poof, it blew everywhere.
Recently, my whole video is doing so well.
Yes,
you went to South Africa.
Yes, please.
Hey, you know you're very lucky. It's like everything you want, your dad is doing for you. How do you feel when, Daddy, my new song right there, I want to do a music with Shatawale, boom. Oh, Papa, man, possible. Daddy, and you outside. Oh, Papa, do. How do you feel when you went to South Africa? We didn't any collaborating or deal with the artists over there?
My team did that magic, so I don't know much about it.
Okay.
And the meeting with me, it was just a surprise meeting. Aww. And he said, "Oh, my brother, bring Foto Copy to the house. I want you to work with him." Yes.
You can even speak like the way he's speaking.
Yes, my brother. Thank you.
Do you know you can act?
Yes.
Have you thought of that too? Or now it's just music?
Yeah, now it's just music because I'm doing music full time.
Hey, Asan Benny, you are doing what?
Music full time.
Full time, you don't want to pause?
No. But I'll pause and focus on my education and then I'll come back.
You come back?
I mean, I won't even stop and focus on my education and I'll do education after I do education the full time.
So like you go to school, you come back, you learn small, you go back to your studio.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want to do, then you go back.
Yes.
It's a year teachers need treat you saying. Oh, that's what you pay them.
No, why would they say that? They are also happy for me because I'm the superstar. I'm the only superstar in their school. So
I know how it feels, right? Yes. The only superstar.
Yes, please.
It's OMG.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Yes, please.
So aside music, you know, what sister say the no person in full time.
Yes.
So it means, is there any artist who must say wakacho papa say daddy? We dem person in any enjom. We dem person in any enjom. Can you mention few? Only you want to.
My team are planning on that, but the one I have in my mind is Sarkodie, and the girls one is Wendy Shea.
Wendy Shea. You like Wendy, eh?
Yes, please.
Wow.
Me and my sister, we love her very much.
But where's she no?
No.
You have to tell Daddy. It's possible.
Yeah.
Daddy, I want to meet Wendy Shea.
Yeah. He told me we were going to meet her.
Oh. So you want to do music with Wendy Shea and Sarkodie?
Yes, please.
You per se any Wendy, any Sarkodie, a year no more dear. You're none of your home. Yeah. Yakoji in Krato Aba Ogusua, I heard it Jenny, and I'm a guest in a Foto Copy and a yet to come Papa. Ain't she be a Jumedi ABC? Nansana Obekono. Before you call break, you know, because of on Sarkodie Wendy Shatter the only night dada. So you want to have a song with Shatter and Sarkodie and Wendy Shea. Okay. And so more partners say the old person only omo enye enjom.
But my team is working on
other ones that you are not aware. And you're surprised. Oh, hi, I see the thing. Abem na oko. Ambassador Delson, daddy scan or the mawana. I know daddy will.
But Miss Fendi Kaka.
I'll spend the day on young boncomo. I near my besa. So we must say change now. Just watch his name. And then I've been seeing you around, you've been giving watches to celebrities
Yes,
and all that.
Yes.
If we hear about home.
You see, we are doing a new song tomorrow promotion.
Okay.
So if you've done the tomorrow video, we can take a watch and give you some. And when we see your video is going viral, you can get a box of Pure Delight, a tomorrow t-shirt, and a perfume, sneaker in box, and a Rolex watch.
Yeah. Because my mom say, oh papa no more star way ho no man Rolex. Then you go here, no one man say.
Yes, please.
Oh papa the tutor say na man say chicha na wa na say daddy. Person me nkwache star way ade.
We are not doing it just for free, but we can't just buy it and go and give it away. To be like we have money so much, so we are wasting the money and other things. So if you know you've done the tomorrow video, then we give you one.
Then they'll just give you one. It is celebrities now much more than to say thank you for supporting Foto Copy.
Yes, please.
Oh, thank you. I've in a conversation. I nice pa.
Yes.
Unto anwate pa. Vachai. Let's say, oh yeah, that you know bonk rank come on and say or church because and you where's the boy how can and penny some more. It's yeah, what can you feel saying?
Sometimes I don't feel anything because I don't even understand it.
Oh, so what can?
Yeah,
just to, for entertainment.
Entertainment, yes, please.
It's how mommy feel saying.
She feels proud of me because she will know that all the things you go through because of me, just not for like anything at all.
No.
Yeah, she's just suffering for me. Yeah. She's very proud of me. Oh. I love you, mommy.
Oh, we love you too. Before I will corner, where's Ben Abekache? That say age side no, age group no. I say Ben Abekache o mo bu wa person ye bibi. Ne maame ne papa so mo mane ye o mpanyin se ne atia no. Kan fio, ne mpanyin se abofra anya sa. Na ye tiatia no, na ye ka o mo hye. I say Ben Abeka, acha awofo no.
Please, if your kid or child has a talent, please don't put it inside. Let it glow because you don't know what life brings tomorrow.
Okay, yes. And also your mates, your friends, your colleagues watching you.
Yes, please.
The journey, and the reading of a catch all.
I said them that they should keep their education serious because education is the key to success, and without education you cannot read and write.
Without education, indeed, you cannot read and write. Inti, we are bofra. No, we see at ye. Because the oye na so we see at dia. Inka OMG baby OMG obekono yen cheers. You take your drink and we're gonna cheers to all the success of your music career. Thanks for coming, okay? Anna, I have a surprise for you. It's so nice. See, I love this picture.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, you're so cute.
Thank
so this is for you, and also hampers na it's yours. Okay? Thank you so much for coming. It's been amazing having you. Yada see se oje bra o hwe ye menim se nne nkomotwetwe no aye nika ye ne ye bai atwetwe nkomo as all kind so ye bad time na ofie na who talent bi e wo ba mu amesro na wa support ya bofra no e bia ono so ne nsroma o de ba wiase a e benam so ama abusua no aye defo eno no enti na wa support no na bibia aye kama ye beda aboafo maso yase na watch bia ye di dwumade bro e wo Adom TV meda ela kadi ase oni na mame asmade fefefe me de ti dwumade so a me ho aye kama afei meda eye time herbal mixture for ase afei lip tomato paste give us clean care and nyadua herbal mixture for us say almost so yase near this season 7 April all the way from Accra enti yada mpanyufo ase pa ansa na mekono meda eye crew yi ase say all the time almost sacrificing na yetimi ye adwuma na wa wo fie so ofa mu abana de bobra me din e di Abena Ghana bronga ha for this year abunofo egudie aha na brebe ma me di dwumadie esi abunofo nyina me chia mu nyina brekuman me chia obibia da se ne yensan hia e wo dwumadie so same time same channel and change TV no afre wo pese wo hwe programming they just starting now. You just have to go to YouTube now what type of Abena Ghana TV subscribe it na bell no click it so yeah the video be out to ma ubehu na so weti me ahyebi na bibia aye kama me da wase aha na me do besi da se ne yen hie bio e wo de journey so asem ba ko na da bia me katro me sinyame wo ma ebeyeye Abena ba makra